In this video we're going to look at WordPress menus, and I'm using a test site with the default 2011 theme, and the primary menu appears just below the header image here. Now this is the default menu, and the default menu you'll get it no matter what template you're using, and that basically is every page that you've created on the site. Now you don't normally want every page you've created on the site to appear in the menu. You want to customize that menu, and to do that you have to go and create a new menu and assign it to this position here. And so I'm going to do that now. To do that, you go to appearance and you go to menus. Now you go over here and you create a menu and you give it a name, and I'm going to give it a top menu. Call it top, create menu. We're going to set its location, which is going to be the primary menu, and we're going to change what appears there. Now it's picked up all of the pages. I'm just going to remove that one from the thing, and I'm going to remove that from it, and I'm going to remove, for some reason it's got two home ones, I'm going to remove that. So let's save the menu now to finish it off, and let's go back and view it, and there we have it there. Now to modify it, I go back to menus, and I'm just going to add the registration to the menu, and there it is there. Now if I want to move them up, I just drag them and I can position them where I want to. If I want them to appear as a sub menu, I just drag them to the side, and there it's appearing as a sub menu under About Us. So let me just save it again. We always have to save it, and let's go and view it again. You can see the contact has gone, but it's appearing now under the About Us, and there's our registration, there's our home page. Okay, let's go back again, and I just want to say we can actually edit the text in here. So instead of saying contact, it's picking this up from the actual page name. We can say contact us, and again we have to remember to save it and refresh it, and you can see it's there. Okay, now that is the primary menu. You can also have menus appearing in other places. Now the most common one is down in the sidebar here, and to do that you need to create another menu, or you can use the one here, but it's not normally you don't normally use the same menu in the top and the sidebar. So let's create one down for the sidebar here, and we create a new menu. We give it a name, and we don't want it to appear in the primary menu, and we don't want to automatically add new top level pages to it. We want to add our own pages to it. So I'm just going to add two items to it. There they are there. Now it won't appear here because I need to add it using a widget. This is the widget area down here. So let me go back now, and let me go to the widgets. Let's just stay on the page and make sure I've saved it. And now I go to the widgets. Okay, so I've got a custom menu, and that's the one I want. So I'm just going to take this item now, and I'm going to drag it into the sidebar. There. I can give it a title, and I call it menu. Oh, main menu better, and I just save it. Now let's go and view the site now. And there's the menu appearing here. Now, just like I did with the menus, I can rearrange these widgets in there, so I can put it at the top. With the widgets you don't actually have to save them. Now if I go back there and I refresh it, the menus at the top. Now I just want to go back to menus again and show you. Now when you come to edit the menus, it's very important that you edit the correct one. So before you edit one, you have to select it. So if I want to edit the top menu, I select it here and hit select. That menu appears down here, and then I can edit it. If I want to edit the sidebar menu, I click sidebar and click select, and now it appears down here. And always remember to save the menu when you've edited. Okay, that's it for this video. How to create and edit menus in WordPress, and how to add them as a widget in the sidebar. Until next time, bye.